Hi friends, today we will discuss that is a new topic, that is standard deviation on group data. So first of all, you have to discuss the formula of the standard deviation. That the standard deviation is equal to, in square root, summation I is equal to 1 to n in bracket xi minus x bar bracket square that can be divided by the n. So that the three terms involved in that xi is that is a variable, x bar is a mean, and small n is that is a total number of observation. So let us consider, we'll take about that one example of that. So to given that the ungrouped data, that is a 10, 11, 10, 11, 9, 7, 9, 11, 12, 10. So first of all, we have to find the mean of that data. So the formula of the mean is that x bar is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. So in that summation xi means take the sum of all the observation, and that small n is that is a total number of observation. So take the sum of all the observation, that is 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 11 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 10, that can be divided by the 10. So here we have to given that the 10 number of observation, and simply we'll take about that sum, we'll get about that the 100 divided by 10. So that 100 divided by 10, we'll get about that the mean is that 10. Then we can turn about that the tabulation of that data. So that we have to prepare the three columns. In that first column we have to write down the observation, second column we have to write down the deviation, that is the xi minus x bar, and the third column will take about that the square of that deviation. Remaining values will take about it the square of that deviation. So that is a observation. We have to calculate the mean. In that second step we will take about that the xi minus x bar. So that is the first variable, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, 11 minus 10 1, 10 minus 10 0, 11 minus 10 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 7 minus 10 minus 3, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 11 minus 10 1, 12 minus 10 2, and the 10 minus 10 will get about that the 0. So that in that third column we'll take about that the square of that remaining values. So that 0 square is a 0, 1 square is a 1, 0 square is again 0, 1 square is a 1, minus 1 square is a 1, minus 3 square is a 9, minus 1 square is a 1, 1 square is a 1, 2 square is a 4, and the 0 square is a 0. Then lastly that we'll take about that the sum of that column. So that we have to say about that the summation xi minus x bar bracket square, we get about that 18. Then lastly we have to apply the formula of the standard deviation, and in this formula we have to put the value. So that is we have to calculate the third column, that is summation xi minus x bar bracket square, that is 18, and the small number of observation, that is 10. So that is in square root 1.8, and then we have to find the square root of 1.8. It is standard deviation sigma is equal to 1.34. So thank you for watching for this video. If you like it, then subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.